Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Hello babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. I am so excited about this video. This video will probably actually be fun for you guys. Not just like interesting or anything like my other videos, so interesting. No, but I saw on Instagram, I saw Snook doing a makeup look. This is the makeup look, and apparently it is this challenge going around. I haven't heard about it until she posted, but the tiny makeup face challenge, something like that. And I think that I figured out that it's this girl called Jamie French who started it. Probably many people has done this, but Jamie has tagged Anna Lingis that she has done this first, I think. I saw Jamie's like Instagram video and I cried laughing. It was so much fun. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun today. We're gonna go in with a lot of contour at first to make this as real looking as possible. And for that, I'm gonna go in with the Infinity palette from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in with a mix with Maffei and Cigar to create a new nose. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D, KVD Beauty brush in number 40. This is the one I use for my nose contour always. So, oh my god. So we are just gonna go and contour pretty much like I usually do. And we're gonna connect it to my brow. Something like that. And here I'm going to try and create the tip of the nose. Something like that. The nostrils. As you guys know, I am not a special effects artist, so what am I doing? We are gonna clean up with some concealer afterwards, but now I'm just gonna do the laugh lines. And now we're gonna do the Cupid's bow. And the shape of the mouth. Can you guys see it yet? Because I cannot. And the bottom lip, I'm not sure. Let's see, maybe I will have to take out this. 1 second. There we go. Just took 15 minutes and my lipstick is all gone. I'm gonna do the lips there somewhere. This looks so weird, by the way, my piercing. Oh, I don't look like myself. Obviously. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner in brown, and I'm just gonna make like the nose and the lips more prominent. I think that will help with the illusion, at least. I don't know. I am so focused, but yet it looks weird. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, I just saw it. Okay, oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Let's try and just make this not as dark. This is scary. I look like a chicken, or oh my god, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like a who? From the Grinch. Just gonna go in with a little bit of my concealer shade in Fair, the Tarte shape, and I'm gonna use that highlight. I think will be a lot better. And we're gonna highlight this and this little nostril. I will never understand people who do these sorts of like SFX makeups. How do they have the time and just like the skill to be this precise? I think the lips might look a little weird. I mean, yeah, they look weird. If I'm straight ahead, it doesn't look that weird, but when I'm doing this, it looks really weird. Okay, it looks better. I'm just gonna use my normal contour brush, and I'm thinking if we should do like some shading right here. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of blush. This is the Tarte Bikini Bottom. I'm just gonna put the pink right here. And then let's do some highlight like right here. And this is from the Linda Hallberg palette. I'm gonna go in with the same highlighter on the tip of my new nose. It looks horrible. Oh my god, I look so scary. Why do I cry? I'm on my period, but it's not because of that. I promise. Okay, now for lips, I'm thinking we will go in with some KVD Beauty. Let's give them some love now when they are going through a rough patch. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna go in with the Nosferatu and also Santa Sangre. I don't think it's that hygienic to put this in my nose, so I'm just gonna use a Q-tip for that. And then for the other shade, oh no, it doesn't show up. Let's just try and go in with a little bit of highlight instead. Okay, wait. I don't really have a turtleneck, so I'm thinking if I should put just like something like this here. Pose, 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 pose. Am I smiling now? Honestly, I'm cute. Oh my god, I can't. Maybe I should try to find a turtleneck. 1 second. Oh my god, so scary. I would recommend like all of you guys to try this. This was actually like a lot of fun. I'm just gonna hold this turtleneck by the way because it will fall down if not. Alright, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was a lot of fun. Subscribe if you enjoyed and like this video if you like me. And I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Okay, bye! I hate myself. Oh my god, no.